Dear learners, planning and preparation of any program is an important aspect of its transaction and better implementation. The purpose is to create age and developmentally appropriate learning opportunities for children and improve the way we work with young children. It also helps to plan according to the set goals and provide quality program to help children learn required skills and concepts and also build the understanding about the phenomena around them. Before planning for the transaction of the school preparation module and Balvatika, the teachers and the educational planners must read the Vidya Pravesh guidelines and National Education Policy 2020 carefully. This will help them understand the concepts and activities better and also get the overall focus of the program. Let us understand the important considerations while planning the learning experiences. First, start with considering the key points such as purpose, target, format, duration, pedagogy and the kind of learning opportunities to be provided to the children to achieve the learning outcomes. Go through the 12 weeks day-wise sample weekly schedule for designing the activities, worksheets and plan a day's program. Also, refer to the activities and worksheets provided in the Vidya Pravesh module. This will help you modify or design the schedule as per the requirement. While developing and planning the schedule, there has to be a balance between teacher-initiated and child-initiated activities, indoor and outdoor activities and a large and small group activities. Display the day-wise weekly schedule in the classroom and try to list what materials are required, how to make the seating arrangements for each of the activities and how to observe children. Arrange beforehand the teaching learning materials required. You may develop the material using local resources, low cost or no cost materials. Some of the ready-made teaching learning materials can also be procured. Plan to include natural resources as learning aids such as leaves, twigs, pebbles, etc. Create activity or interest areas for free play and equip these areas with a variety of play materials that are easily accessible to the children. There are different types of activities and interest areas which also help you in handling multiple age groups. Classroom displays such as chart, posters, activity worksheets, models, etc. may be used to convey a theme being covered in the classroom. This makes children curious and interested in the themes or the activity. The following points must be kept in mind while displaying children's works. Plan the seating arrangement for the selected activities, keeping in view the children with special needs. It is important that seating arrangement should be flexible and adaptable. Ensure that clean indoor and outdoor spaces and equipments or materials are accessible to all the children, which are safe, age appropriate and adequate for children to engage in free and guided play like sand or pit, balls, ropes, bricks, beam, old tires, musical instruments, etc. Plan to observe and assess children regularly. You should maintain periodic progress report for each child and prepare summary of achievements at the end of 3 months and share with the parents. The teachers must always remember that each child learns on their own and the job of a teacher is to motivate them, touch their heart and develop a loving bond with each child. Therefore, teachers must be supportive and understand the background of each child, their environment at home and previous education that they have gone through such as pre-primary, Anganwadi or direct admission at grade 1. So, if possible, visit home of each child and try to establish positive relationship with their family. Although planning is done beforehand, it should be flexible enough to accommodate any change that might become necessary depending on the interest shown by the children at a particular moment. I am sure these tips would help you create warm and welcoming environment and plan joyful and developmentally appropriate learning opportunities for your children. Stay connected.